Welcome to DECOLOVA, where every corner of a home tells a story. And today we are exploring a transformation that proves beauty does not always require a massive budget. Can a simple makeover truly create the feeling of a luxurious cottage retreat? In this journey, we will discover how thoughtful choices, creative decorating ideas, and a love for timeless details can completely change the atmosphere of a space. This is not just about spending more, but about seeing possibilities hidden within what already exists and turning an ordinary home into something warm, elegant, and unforgettable. Every beautiful home transformation begins with a vision. This cozy cottage makeover started with a space that had charm but lacked personality, warmth, and a sense of connection. Instead of replacing everything, the focus was placed on understanding the character of the home and enhancing the details that were already there. Old furniture, simple walls, and forgotten corners became opportunities rather than limitations. By carefully selecting textures, colors, and meaningful decorative elements, this cottage slowly began to reveal its hidden elegance. Sometimes the most luxurious spaces are created not by starting over, but by appreciating what already exists. Luxury interior design is often associated with expensive materials and high-end furniture, but true elegance comes from harmony, balance, and thoughtful decisions. In this makeover, every purchase was carefully considered to create maximum impact without overwhelming the budget. Instead of chasing trends, the design focused on timeless cottage elements such as natural textures, vintage-inspired accents, soft fabrics, and handcrafted details. A simple basket, a beautifully arranged shelf, or a carefully chosen piece of artwork could completely transform the atmosphere. The secret was not adding more things, but choosing pieces that brought warmth, personality, and a feeling of intentional design. One of the biggest changes in this budget-friendly makeover came from creating a calming and inviting color palette. Soft neutrals, creamy whites, gentle earthy tones, and subtle natural shades helped transform the cottage into a peaceful sanctuary. These colors created a feeling of openness while maintaining the cozy charm that makes cottage interiors so beloved. The goal was to create a space that felt timeless rather than temporary, where every shade worked together like a beautiful painting. With the right colors, even simple furniture and affordable decorations could feel elevated, sophisticated, and beautifully connected. Furniture does not always need to be replaced to create a luxurious atmosphere. Sometimes, the greatest transformations come from giving existing pieces a new purpose and a fresh identity. In this cottage makeover, older furniture pieces became the foundation of the design story. A simple wooden table gained new character, a forgotten chair became a charming reading spot, and ordinary storage pieces became decorative features. Through small updates, creative styling, and careful placement, these items became meaningful parts of the home. The result was a space filled with personality, history, and the comforting feeling of a home that has grown beautifully over time. The magic of cottage decorating often comes from the small details that create emotion. Natural materials such as wood, linen, woven textures, and handmade accessories introduced warmth and authenticity into the space. Vintage-inspired decorations added a sense of nostalgia, making the home feel as if it had collected beautiful memories across generations. A ceramic vase, an antique-style mirror, or a stack of old books could become simple elements that brought depth and character. These details remind us that luxury is not always about perfection, but about creating an environment that feels personal, welcoming, and full of life. A luxurious home is not only defined by large rooms or expensive furniture, but also by the small corners that invite us to slow down and enjoy everyday moments. In this makeover, forgotten spaces were transformed into cozy retreats filled with comfort and charm. A small reading corner, a peaceful window area, or a beautifully styled shelf became places where design and emotion came together. By combining affordable textiles, carefully selected accessories, and intentional arrangements, these simple areas gained a high-end feeling. The lesson from this transformation is that even the smallest corner can become the most memorable part of a home. Styling is where a house truly begins to feel like a home. In this cottage makeover, arranging objects with purpose became one of the most powerful tools for creating a luxurious atmosphere. Instead of filling every surface, the design embraced balance by allowing each decorative piece to breathe and become part of the story. Layered textures, grouped accessories, and thoughtful compositions created visual interest without making the space feel crowded. The beauty came from simplicity, where every element had a reason to be there. This approach proves that elegance is not measured by how much we add, but by how beautifully everything comes together. A truly luxurious home is never just a collection of beautiful objects. It is a reflection of the people who live inside it. In this cottage transformation, personality became one of the most important design elements. Instead of decorating with random accessories, each piece was chosen to create a feeling, tell a story, or bring back a memory. Family treasures, handmade decorations, natural elements, and carefully selected vintage finds helped the home feel authentic and unique. These personal touches transformed the cottage from a beautifully decorated space into a place that feels alive, comfortable, and deeply connected to everyday moments. The kitchen became one of the most charming areas of this makeover because it proved that even practical spaces can feel elegant and welcoming. Without expensive renovations, small updates created a completely different atmosphere. Open shelving, neatly arranged ceramics, wooden accessories, fresh greenery, and simple decorative details brought warmth and character into the room. The focus was not on creating a showroom kitchen, but a space that felt lived in, peaceful, and full of cottage charm. Every corner was designed to encourage slow mornings, homemade meals, and beautiful everyday rituals that make a house feel like a true home. Texture is one of the hidden secrets behind interiors that feel expensive and comfortable at the same time. In this cottage makeover, layers of different materials created depth and visual richness throughout the home. Soft linen curtains, knitted blankets, woven baskets, natural wood surfaces, and delicate fabrics worked together to create a warm sensory experience. These elements added dimension without requiring a large investment. The combination of different textures made each room feel more inviting and sophisticated, proving that luxury can come from the way materials interact with each other rather than from their price tags. Sometimes the smallest adjustments create the most surprising results. This makeover showed how simple changes such as rearranging furniture, updating textiles, adding greenery, or styling empty spaces could completely refresh the feeling of a home. Instead of focusing only on expensive renovations, the transformation celebrated creativity and resourcefulness. A different furniture arrangement could improve the flow of a room, while a few carefully chosen decorations could create a completely new mood. These small details became powerful reminders that decorating is not only about buying new things, but about discovering new ways to appreciate and enhance the space we already have. The bedroom became a peaceful escape where comfort and elegance came together beautifully. The goal was to create a relaxing environment that felt luxurious without becoming overly formal. Soft bedding, natural fabrics, calming colors, and carefully placed decorative accents transformed the room into a cozy retreat. Instead of following complicated design rules, the focus was placed on creating a feeling of calm and belonging. Every element worked together to encourage relaxation and comfort, from the gentle textures to the charming details around the room. This space proved that a dream bedroom does not need a huge budget, only thoughtful design choices and a clear vision. A luxurious interior is not created by filling a room with expensive items. The true secret lies in balance, proportion, and creating a connection between every element. In this cottage makeover, every decoration, furniture piece, and material was carefully placed to create harmony. The rooms felt elegant because nothing competed for attention. Instead, every detail supported the overall atmosphere of warmth and comfort. This approach allowed affordable pieces to appear more refined because they existed within a thoughtful design concept. The result was a home that felt sophisticated, peaceful, and timeless without losing the cozy charm that made it special. Lighting became the final piece that completed this cozy cottage transformation. After choosing the colors, furniture, textures, and decorations, the right lighting brought everything together and revealed the beauty of each detail. Warm illumination created a softer mood, highlighting textures and making the rooms feel more intimate and welcoming. Instead of relying only on bright overhead lights, layered lighting techniques added depth through lamps, candles, and carefully positioned fixtures. The glow created a sense of comfort and elegance, proving that lighting is not just a practical feature but an essential design element that can completely change how a home feels. after every thoughtful update, the cottage revealed a completely new identity. What started as a simple space with limited possibilities became a warm, elegant, and inviting home filled with character. This transformation showed that luxury is not defined by expensive purchases or extravagant renovations, but by creativity, intention, and emotional connection. Every corner carried a sense of comfort and beauty, proving that a limited budget can still create extraordinary results. This cottage became a reminder that with imagination and thoughtful design, any home can become a personal sanctuary where memories are created and cherished. Thank you for joining DECOLOVA on this inspiring journey through a budget-friendly cottage transformation. This makeover reminds us that beautiful homes are not created overnight, and they are not measured by how much money is spent. They are created through patience, creativity, and the small details that make a space feel truly personal. Whether you are refreshing one corner or redesigning your entire home, every change begins with a vision. Keep exploring new ideas, finding beauty in simple things, and creating spaces that tell your own story. Until our next design journey, let your home continue to inspire and bring warmth into every moment.